Hello friends, Miss Heather here in the garden. There are lots of beautiful monarch butterflies out here this morning. Monarchs are just one type of butterfly. And did you know there are 4 steps to becoming a butterfly? I'm going to show you all of them here today in the garden. First, what happens is the mama butterfly lays an egg on the underneath of a leaf. Do you see that little white dot? That's the egg. It's so little. She lays the egg, and then a few days later, a little baby caterpillar pops out of the egg. Do you see him? He has yellow and black and white stripes. He's right there. Then that caterpillar eats and eats and eats. Now these monarch caterpillars only eat one type of plant called the milkweed. That's this right here. They eat the leaves until the leaves are all gone. Look at these big fat caterpillars. They ate all the leaves off of this plant. And they eat and eat and eat until they are so big. Then they crawl around the garden to find the perfect spot. And when they find the perfect spot, they make a little web, kind of like a string, to attach or stick to their perfect spot. Then the caterpillar hangs upside down, kind of like a bat. And can you see him? It's kind of dark. And then they make a J shape like this. Do you see? That's his head on the bottom. He's hanging upside down. And he looks like a J. And they hang like that for a little while. And then they do something really special. Then they form this really cool little case called a chrysalis. It's kind of like if you've ever slept in a sleeping bag. But it looks like this. Do you see that little green thing up on top of the roof? That is called the chrysalis. Here's another one we can get closer to. Look how beautiful it is. It's green, jade green. And it has gold dots on it and a golden black stripe, and it's just hanging there in that special spot. And then that caterpillar stays in that chrysalis for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. But that caterpillar is not just sleeping. That caterpillar is working really hard and growing wings. Wouldn't that be so cool if you went to sleep and then when you woke up in the morning you had wings? That would be so awesome. That's what butterflies do. So remember how that chrysalis was green? When it gets time, when the caterpillar is all done growing his wings, and it's time for the caterpillar to come out as a butterfly, it doesn't look green anymore. Then it kind of looks black because it's actually clear and you can see the black wings inside. Do you see that black chrysalis up there? Then the butterfly will break out of the chrysalis, kind of like a baby chick breaks out of an egg, right? And then do you see all these little shells that are left? That's what's left of the chrysalis when the butterfly came out. Do you see? And then when the butterfly comes out, it looks like this. It's a monarch butterfly. And the butterfly will come back and drink from the flowers of the same plant that the caterpillar ate off of when he was a caterpillar. Do you see him drinking out of that flower? It looks like, do you see it? The butterfly has a special tongue, kind of called a proboscis, kind of like a straw. Have you ever drank something from a straw? That's what the butterfly is doing. He's drinking the nectar from the flower like with a straw. So there's the beautiful monarch butterfly, and then that beautiful monarch butterfly will lay more eggs, which will hatch into caterpillars and grow and make a chrysalis and become more butterflies, and it just keeps going on and on. That's called the life cycle of the butterfly. Isn't this a pretty butterfly? And some of these monarch butterflies fly a really, really, really long way. They go all the way from Mexico, all the way up to Canada, and then they come back. It's really cool, so far. But we're very lucky because we live in a place that the monarch butterflies fly through. So we get to see all the stages of the life cycle of the butterfly. But I just really wanted to share that monarch butterfly life cycle with you. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I love you all, and take care. Bye.